Okay, thank you for your patience as we switch gears. So here we are in week one of our Principles of Accounting 2 class in the spring 2024 semester. So the first thing I need you to do is access the week at a glance, and you'll read through the overview, uh, learning objectives, and what we need to do. So once you've done that, there are in the instructional materials, there's a couple of videos here. Now, you don't need to watch all these videos, but these are just quick tutorials that kind of show you what QuickBooks is, how to set it up online. It goes through, basically the features, yeah, the features of the software. You can see that they're all pretty short videos. Um, I encourage you to watch them just to kind of give you a really good understanding of what QuickBooks is, how it's set up, um, the various features. Once you've done that, I've also provided the link to the free trial. So again, you don't have to do the trial if you don't want to, but it's just again, it's there for your help. Yeah. So you click on for students, and then you'll go through the setup process. You probably don't have a login, so you'll click create an account. Yeah. I think you'll walk through the process there. Shouldn't take terribly long. You'll also notice that I included what's called a QuickBooks Online Student Guide. This student guide is designed to show you in a PDF format basically all of the features of QuickBooks. Okay, it's a very long document, it's 400 pages. Please don't print this, that would be very silly. Okay, it's just there for your reference, it's reference material. Think of it like it's a manual. Okay, it shows you how things are set up in QuickBooks in a case by case on a it uses like a case study, yeah. But just again, you don't have to read the whole thing. It's just reference material to show you how things work. Okay, and then once you've done all those things and you feel ready to start your LinkedIn Learning environment, remember the first thing you need to do is make sure you activate your LinkedIn Learning. So, and the way you'll want to do that is you'll come back up to the start here or under your student resources. I like the one under start here; it's just easy. LinkedIn Learning. You can watch the short video on how to activate it. There's also the PDF here on how to activate it. So you should be prompted with all this when you first select uh, the LinkedIn Learning um, certificate. So there's the certificate course is called QuickBooks Online Essentials Training. That's the name of the certificate course. So you click on this, click on launch. It'll open up well, of course it's not going to open it up because I probably because I'm sharing maybe. Now, let me exit the student preview. And I'll show you what should happen. So when you go to Engage and Explore, you open it up. It'll open up like this, hopefully like this. Yes, okay, it opens up like this. After you log in and activate, your account and all that good stuff. After you do all that, it'll log in like this, and you'll notice it'll start here under Introduction. And what this is a series of very short videos. You have to watch them in order. Okay, so when the video is done, it'll go from being this little unshaded circle. It'll go to the shaded circle and then to the check mark. The check mark means you watch the video to the end. Okay, and then it'll automatically start the next video in order. Okay, you need to make sure that you watch every single one of these. Everything should have a green check mark next to it. Okay. Now, once you've gone through every single chapter here, and this should take you probably about hour and a half, roughly, maybe 2 hours. Okay. to get through all of these. Everyone will have a green check mark next to the video. At the very end, once you have completed it, it'll uh, uh, let's see if it'll do it. I don't know if it will. It might not. Okay, so once you've done it, it should say, congratulations, you finished blah blah blah, and it'll open up with a certificate. Okay, you want to download the PDF version of the certificate. You'll see it when the window pops up. There's going to be an option. It'll say, do you want to put this on your account? On your LinkedIn profile. Download it, share it. You want to download it, the PDF version. Download it to your computer, the PDF version of the certificate. Once you've done that, you'll come back into the classroom, and under action and expression, you're going to upload that PDF here to this Dropbox. Yeah. Let me just show you what that looks like in your view. So I don't want to give you the wrong information. Yeah. So week one, action expression. You've already completed the LinkedIn Learning certificate. You downloaded it in PDF format. You come here to action expression, and you upload. You click Start Attempt. You upload your LinkedIn Learning certificate. Yeah. See, you can either drag and drop the file, or you can attach it. Yeah, whatever is easiest for you. And then once you've attached the LinkedIn Learning certificate, then you'll click Submit, and it lets me know that you've completed it. And then I'll look at the certificate, and as long as it looks correct, I will give you the full 100 points. Okay. If it's not, I'm going to give you a 0 and explain to you what you need to do. Maybe you accidentally did a screenshot or whatever the case is, but it needs to be an actual attachment. Does that make sense to everyone? Is there any questions about that? What you need to do?
That makes sense.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks, Dominic. Okay. So it's really as simple as that. So what I would like you to do is begin. Okay. So log into Blackboard, begin exploring the classroom, make sure that you go through the Start Here menu and you go through all those items. Make sure you have access to the textbook. That's very, very important. That should be priority number one. If for whatever reason you're having trouble accessing the textbook, or it's giving you a hard time or whatever, send me an email and tell me. So that way I can get you in touch with whoever we got to get you in touch with at the bookstore to get that fixed. Okay. I promise you I'll make it easy for you as best we can, yeah? So that's priority number one. Make sure you get access to the textbook. Priority number two, after you've read through the syllabus and all that jazz, we'll go to week one. And I want you to start the LinkedIn Learning certificate. Make sure that your account is all set up for LinkedIn Learning by following the stuff in the Start Here area, and then begin the certificate. You'll click on the one underneath Engage and Explore, and then you'll go through all the videos. Okay. Again, it's got to add that green check mark on every single video. Okay. After that's done, it'll prompt you with a certificate. You'll download the PDF, come back into the classroom, upload that PDF to this Dropbox area. And that's what you need to do. So my recommendation is, because we only have lectures on Mondays, I would like you to please try to complete this on Wednesday during the class time. Yeah, that's why you have that time, is to complete the work for that respective week. And then, of course, the next time we'll meet will be, I think next week's a holiday, is it not?
Yeah.
Yeah, next week's a holiday. Yep, it's MLK. Okay, so we'll probably meet next week. We'll meet on Wednesday. Yeah. Um, so next Wednesday, that'll be the 17th. But don't worry, I'll let you know well in advance. Okay. Um, and if you want to get ahead, if you want to work ahead, I already have a bunch of videos posted. And I'll share that my YouTube channel with you if I haven't done so already. I'll share my YouTube channel with you so you can feel free to watch it in advance if you want. Okay. Questions, comments, concerns? We're okay? Right.
Yep. Sounds good, Professor.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Shanti. Okay, well, thank you all so much again for your time today. I sincerely appreciate all of you being here. I'm looking forward to a great semester together. If you ever need anything, email me, call me, set up office hours, whatever you like, okay? I'm here for you. And thank you so much. Appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful rest of your night. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye.